first in section A.
Hi, Ann. Hi, Chris. Hi, Ching. Chris, don't cry.
Okay,
Hi. Hi, Nang.
Cruz. Look at please,
Bye, Lord.
we
Bye,
would like
Nang.
to solicit your help by
Bye.
arranging the writers for the picture.
Nice day with my friends. Wala na, kuya. Natawa na pinaron. Na, kuya. Kuya. Gwapa, duga, gwapa. Dako, gino. Inyo, wala pa ko ng mga kids. Nang, i-upload mo lang ha. Ang picture sa Friendster. Si Chris, si Ann, si Ching, si Marcin. Hi, sir. Video.
An announcement in school that all of us are required to be in school tomorrow, Thursday, for some very important matter.
Ano ka naman?
So, April 2, and I think some of us